All right, we have made it to Wednesday morning. Here is what you need to know weather-wise. First of all, those temperatures, they are going to continue to climb. You're going to notice that today, and you might even notice that it is getting a bit more muggy. That humidity is really going to be ramping up. Rain chances, they do stay low, but a couple of showers not completely out of the question. Here's a look at those temperatures for the next 7 days. Notice we're going to be in the upper 80s for today and tomorrow, a little closer to 90 by Friday and the weekend, and it looks like it is going to stay hot even as we go into early next week. Now let's take a look at where that muggy air is for this morning. We don't have a lot of it, but watch what happens as we put this into motion and we go toward Friday and the weekend. We really notice some more muggy air sneaking into the Memphis area, and you're going to notice that when you step outside Friday into the weekend. It is definitely going to be more and more humid, feeling a little bit more like summertime as you're walking out the door. Not a bad morning. Looking back toward downtown Memphis, you can see that sunrise starting to take shape. Just a couple of friendly clouds out there, but otherwise it is a nice start to your Wednesday morning. We've got temperatures in the 60s and 70s depending on where you are. 66 right now in Dyersburg, Olive Branch, and Covington. 73 the current temperature in Memphis. This afternoon going to be very similar to yesterday. It is going to be a warm one. High temperatures around 88 degrees. We'll see a mix of some sunshine and clouds through the day. And yet again, there is a very slight chance of a sprinkle. Most of us will not see rain today, but there is at least a chance. And that's going to continue here for the next 7 days, just because we're in this summertime kind of weather pattern where we can have those quick little pop-up showers. I don't expect much rain, and many of us are going to be totally dry for the next 7 days, but I do want to let you know there is at least that potential. Checking out the hour-by-hour radar as we go into the afternoon, you can see it does try to pop up 1 or 2, maybe 3 tiny showers across the area. Again, most of us will not see rain today. That's the same story for tomorrow. We'll bump it up to about a 20% chance of a couple of showers by tomorrow afternoon, but even then, many areas will not see rain. So the 7-day forecast does look mostly dry. We're going to be in the upper 80s through the rest of the week. Just a slight chance of showers, especially tomorrow and Friday. Going into the weekend, sunshine, highs near 90 with a little more humidity building in. And we are going to stay warm into next week, looking for highs around 90 with some sunshine Monday and Tuesday. Again, many of us will be dry for the next 7 days.